There is something almost hypnotic about watching a massive aircraft descend from the sky and meet the runway with precision. The final approach is arguably the most demanding phase of any flight. It is the moment where engineering, training, and human skill converge into a single, breathtaking sequence of events. Pilots spend thousands of hours preparing for these moments, and yet every single landing presents its own unique set of challenges. Wind direction shifts, visibility drops, runway conditions change, and the aircraft must adapt in real time. What looks effortless from the ground is the result of extraordinary concentration happening inside that cockpit. Among the most awe-inspiring sights in modern aviation is watching the Airbus A380 make its final descent. This aircraft is the largest commercial passenger plane ever built, capable of carrying over 800 passengers in a high-density configuration. When it lines up on final approach, the sheer scale of the machine becomes impossible to ignore. The four massive engines, the enormous wingspan stretching over 79 meters, and the double-deck fuselage create a visual spectacle unlike anything else in the sky. Watching it sink lower and lower toward the runway, you begin to appreciate just how much engineering went into making something this large fly so gracefully. The Boeing 747, affectionately known as the Queen of the Skies, carries a similar sense of grandeur. For decades it dominated long-haul aviation, and even today its distinctive hump silhouette commands attention on any approach path. Some of the most dramatic footage in aviation comes from crosswind landings. When strong winds blow perpendicular to the runway, pilots must use a technique called crabbing, where the nose of the aircraft is pointed into the wind to maintain the correct flight path. Just before touchdown, the pilot applies rudder to align the aircraft with the runway centerline, a maneuver that requires precise timing and steady hands. Get it wrong, and the aircraft can drift off the runway or land with excessive side load on the landing gear. Watch closely during these approaches and you will see the aircraft appear to be flying sideways, only to straighten out at the last possible second. It is a testament to the training that professional pilots undergo and the structural resilience built into modern aircraft. Aircraft like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus A350 are designed with advanced fly-by-wire systems that assist pilots during these demanding conditions, but the human element remains absolutely critical. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner represents a new generation of commercial aviation. Built with composite materials that make up over 50% of its primary structure, it is lighter, more fuel-efficient and more comfortable than the aircraft it replaced. When the Dreamliner makes its approach, there is a certain elegance to it. The raked wingtips flex noticeably during flight, a deliberate design feature that improves aerodynamic efficiency. Watching those wings bend and respond to turbulence during an approach is a reminder that modern aircraft are not rigid structures, but dynamic systems designed to absorb and adapt. The Airbus A350 shares this philosophy. Its carbon fibre reinforced polymer airframe gives it exceptional strength while keeping weight to a minimum. During approach, the A350 moves with a quiet confidence, its advanced avionics constantly processing data to ensure the smoothest possible path to the runway. Behind every landing is a crew of highly trained professionals. Airline captains typically accumulate between 5,000 and 20,000 flight hours before commanding wide-body aircraft on long-haul routes. First officers bring their own experience and serve as a critical second set of eyes and hands throughout the approach. The two-person cockpit crew operates as a synchronized team, running checklists, monitoring instruments, communicating with air traffic control, and making split-second decisions when conditions change. During a challenging approach, the workload inside the cockpit increases dramatically. Speed must be managed carefully, descent rate must be controlled, and the aircraft must be configured correctly with flaps and landing gear deployed at the right moments. When everything comes together and the wheels touch down smoothly on the centerline, it is the result of a perfectly executed sequence of actions that began long before the aircraft ever appeared on the horizon. Certain airports around the world are legendary for the difficulty they present to arriving aircraft. Airports surrounded by mountains built on short runways or exposed to unpredictable weather patterns demand an extra level of skill and preparation. Approaches into these locations often require specific training and certifications before a pilot is even permitted to attempt them. The combination of terrain, weather, and runway geometry creates scenarios where there is very little margin for error. Watching footage from these airports gives you a deeper appreciation for what professional pilots routinely accomplish. Each approach is a carefully calculated sequence, and the pilots flying these routes have studied the terrain, the weather patterns, and the specific procedures required to land safely time and time again. For passengers on board, the landing is often the most memorable part of the flight. The sound of the engines spooling down, the gentle buffeting as the aircraft descends through lower altitude air, the sight of the ground rushing up to meet you, and then that satisfying thud as the main gear makes contact with the runway. Thrust reverses roar to life, the nose drops, and the aircraft decelerates rapidly. From outside the aircraft, the experience is equally dramatic. The screech of tyres, the blast of engine noise, and the visual spectacle of a massive machine transitioning from flight to ground roll in a matter of seconds. Aviation photographers and enthusiasts gather at airports around the world specifically to capture these moments, and it is easy to understand why. Every landing tells a story of technology, training, and the enduring human desire to conquer the skies. What makes aviation truly remarkable is the combination of factors that must align perfectly for every successful landing. The aircraft must be airworthy, the crew must be prepared, the weather must be within acceptable limits, and the systems must function as designed. When all of these elements come together, the result is something genuinely beautiful to witness. Whether it is a smooth touchdown on a clear, sunny day or a precise crosswind landing in gusty conditions, each arrival represents a triumph of human ingenuity and professional excellence. If these incredible landings have sparked your passion for aviation, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Issa Skyworld for more stunning aviation content delivered every single week. Your support keeps this channel growing and brings more of these extraordinary moments directly to you.